In this video, we are going through question 13 for exercise 5G. So the question asks us to find an expanded expression for, now we can see for this expression, we have two brackets multiplied together. So the first bracket is x plus y, and the second bracket is x plus 2y, okay? And it's asked us to expand the brackets by considering the diagram below. So what is it asking us to do? Right, so we can see here that we have a rectangle in this diagram, and the height for this rectangle is x plus y. Ah, that's our first brackets there. And then the length is x plus y plus y. And that's the same as x plus 2y's. That's our second bracket. So here what we have is the height of a rectangle multiplied by the length. Now, what do we learn about rectangles that got height multiplied by length? It's area, right? So what we're doing here is the same as finding the area, okay? And so what we're going to try to do is I can see that this area is made out of 6 shapes, okay? The space inside this rectangle is made out of 6 different shapes. So we're going to find the area for each of these shapes, and then we're going to combine them together, okay? So that's why it says ensure that our answer is simplified by combining any like terms. So let's consider the first shape in here. Now, I hope you can see that this is a square. Why is it a square? Because it's got this side being x, this side being x, and this side would also be x. Okay, that's the same as this one, and this is x as well. So it's got 4 sides being x's. Okay, so it's a square. So for a square, the area is length times length. So here we got x times x, or x squared. The next one is a rectangle. So rectangle, we got height times length, so x times y, which is xy. And this is the same rectangle, very similar, right? So it's also xy. This one here, we got the height being y and the length being x. So rectangle y, height times length, so y times x, which is the same as xy, right? Doesn't really matter which order that we multiply, it's going to give us the same thing. Then here we got a square, because this side is y, this is also y, this is y, and this is y. So y times y for the area, length times length, y times y, which gives us y squared. And this is the same. It's another square with side being y, so this is y squared. So the total area is, what we have here is x squared plus xy plus xy plus xy plus y squared plus y squared. Okay, so 6 shapes, 6 different areas, and we're going to add them together. So the x here is by its, sorry, x squared is by itself, so x squared. And we have 3 terms that are xy. So here we have 3xy. And here we got 2 terms that are y squared, so we can write it as 2y squared. Okay? And because basically what we're doing is we're calculating the area of the big rectangle, and that's the same as this expression here, we can say that bracket x plus y, close brackets, and then multiply by bracket x plus 2y, give us the same answer as x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared. So this is the answer for question 13. Now I'm going to show you another way to answer this question without the rectangle. This is something that we learned in year 9. So if you feel like, oh, I'm good with this question already, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. If you would like to to learn the different method, then stay for a little bit and I'll go through that method with you. So if you're still staying here, I'm taking that as you want to know the different method. So this method is in year 9, we learn is called FOIL. And FOIL, and let me write this in different color. So the F stand for first, okay. The O, the O stand for outer. The I stand for inner, and the L stand for last. I'll probably, okay. So L stand for last. Okay, so what does that mean? So first, what we're going to do. So with first, we're going to multiply the first terms in each bracket. So x times x. Okay? So x times x. And then for the outer, we multiply the two terms that are on the outside. So here we have x times 2y, the two outer terms. So plus, right, that's a plus there, plus x times 2y. And then the next one is the inner. So for the inner, so we multiply the y by the x here, the inner terms, the two inside terms here. Okay? So we have plus y times x. And then we got last, which means the last two terms of the brackets. So here, y is the last term of the first bracket, multiplied by 2y, which is the last term of the second bracket. So plus y times 2y. Okay? So what do we have? So x times x, that's going to give us x squared. Plus x times 2y, that's 2xy. And then we have plus y times x. Y times x is xy. And then finally, we have y times 2y. So y times 2y is 2y squared. Okay. So together, what do we have? Together, so the x squared is by itself, and we see here that these two are being like terms. So combine them together. So 2xy plus 1xy, let's give us 3xy. And then finally we have 2y squared. So you can see here that it gives us the same answer as before. Okay? So like I said, this method, we're going to learn how to do this in year 9. But I thought that it would be good to show you how to do it here. Okay? If you've stayed for the video until this point, thank you so much for staying, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!